Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the importance of protein in our diet. But first, did you know that not getting enough protein can lead to serious health problems? Yes, you heard it right. Protein deficiency is a real issue and can lead to muscle loss, weakened immune system, and even hair loss. Now that's scary, isn't it? But don't worry, we're here today to guide you on how to avoid these pitfalls and ensure you're getting the right amount of protein your body needs. So, stay tuned as we delve into the power of protein. And remember, if you find our content helpful, don't forget to like our video and hit the subscribe button for more health tips. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the power of protein, let's take a quick detour and explore the fascinating journey of protein in our bodies. Imagine you're eating a juicy steak or a hearty bowl of lentils, both rich in protein. As you chew and swallow, the protein-packed food travels down into your stomach, where it's broken down into smaller pieces called amino acids. These amino acids are then absorbed into your bloodstream and transported to various parts of your body. Here, they get to work, repairing tissues, creating enzymes, hormones, and much more. It's like a well-coordinated relay race where the baton, the protein, is passed on from one runner, the amino acids, to another, the cells in your body. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. On your screen right now, you'll see the like and subscribe buttons. Go ahead, click on them and join our healthy community. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the power of protein in our next segment. Do you know how much protein you need daily, or even what protein is and why it's so important? Protein is one of the 3 macronutrients your body needs to function, alongside carbohydrates and fats. It's like the building blocks of your body, constructing, repairing, and maintaining everything from your muscles to your skin and hair. But protein doesn't just stop at surface level. It dives deeper into your system, playing a crucial role in the creation of enzymes and hormones that keep your body ticking like a well-oiled machine. Imagine your body as a bustling city, with protein as the construction team, constantly working to build skyscrapers, mend roads, and keep everything in top-notch condition. And just like a city, your body needs a steady supply of these workers, these proteins, to keep everything running smoothly. So, now that we understand what protein is and what it does, let's move on to figuring out how much we need every day. How much protein do you need daily? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It's a personal calculation, influenced by factors like your weight, age, gender, and fitness goals. Let's break it down. Imagine you weigh 100 kilograms. To find your protein needs, divide your weight by 2.2. That gives us around 45 kilograms. Now multiply that number by 1.6. That's about 72 grams of protein per day. But remember, this isn't a fixed rule. Your age, gender, and goals can adjust these numbers. For instance, if you're aiming to gain muscle mass, you might need more protein to support muscle growth. On the flip side, if you're older, your body might require less protein. So, grab a calculator and figure out your own protein requirements. It's a simple step towards understanding your body better and fueling it right. Now you know how to calculate your protein needs based on your unique circumstances. But where can you find all this protein? Understanding the importance of protein is one thing, but do you know what happens when you don't get enough? Protein deficiency can have serious impacts on your body. Let's explore some of them. If you're not consuming enough protein, your body may start to break down muscle tissues to meet its protein needs. This can lead to muscle loss, which can be particularly harmful if you're physically active. Protein deficiency can also affect your skin and hair, leading to problems like dry, flaky skin and hair thinning. Your immune system relies on protein to create antibodies, essential for fighting off infections. If you're not eating enough protein, you may find yourself falling sick more often. So remember, not getting your daily dose of protein can have far-reaching consequences. It's not just about building muscle, it's about maintaining your overall health and well-being. So, next time you're planning your meals, make sure to include a healthy dose of protein. You might be wondering where you can get all this protein we've been talking about. Well, you're in luck. There's a vast variety of protein-rich foods you can incorporate into your diet. For instance, eggs are a great source of protein and can be cooked in numerous ways to suit your taste. If you're more of a meat lover, lean cuts of beef, chicken, and turkey should be on your shopping list. For seafood enthusiasts, fish like salmon and tuna are packed with protein. Plant-based proteins are also incredibly beneficial. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa can be included in your meals for a protein boost. Now we know not everyone is a kitchen wizard. That's where protein powders can come in handy. They can be mixed in smoothies, oatmeal, or just with water for a quick and convenient protein fix. So there you have it. You now know what protein is, how much you need, and where to find it. Here's to your health and well-being.